Hi there, another video. It's a few days or several weeks later. I think it's 2 weeks now, but I kind of lost track of time. I think the last one was me driving through Switzerland, so that went well. The weather there just started. I hope you can hear me. Yeah, so today I got a new truck that I'm working with. I want to show it to you. Looks like that. So it's an old, it's a 2010 Mercedes-Benz Actros. That's how they are called. Here you have the 2548. That's basically, it's 480 horsepower, and 25 is not that right. It's a 26-ton truck. You have 3 axles. It's basically, that's a straight or box truck, and here you have a 2-axle trailer. So the whole combination is still 40 tons. It's like our tractor trailers, so the weight is the same. It's just a little bit different distribution, and drives differently because you have the trailer and the box truck. These containers, they have container locks, as I think you should know that too. These are actually video walls. Don't know if it's open. No, it's closed. Yeah, these are video walls. You can like drive them out. It's 31 square meters per container, so 2 times 31 square meters. I drive them now to Berlin. There is a festival in Berlin, and actually there will be 4 of our LED walls, these two bad boys, and 2 50 square meters, which is a tractor trailer thing. I hope that I can show you everything of that, but I can't promise yet. So if I'm allowed to show that, you will see it in this video. If not, I will make another small comment after that, maybe show some pics. Yeah, so that's basically what I wanted to show you. I show you the inside of the truck in a moment. I'm taking my mandatory break right now, and it's a very, very, very tense time planning what I have going on right now, but well, it is what it is. So yeah, this is how it looks at the back. It's actually kind of nice. It's old, it's 12 years old, but the company isn't driving their trucks very much because it has just 154,000 kilometers. Normally you do this like in 1 year. So open it. There you go. I'll just put my cell phone first. Yeah. Alright, there you go. So, well, it's the typical European thing. It's all kind of cramped in here, but you have 3 how do they call it, 3 shelves, so you can put stuff in here. You can open the sunroof. There you have an additional pillow. That's the second bed here. Yeah, nothing special, pretty much. You have the main bed. Here you have, that's the fridge. Here you have a small compartment. It's just storage. And to go on the upper bunk, you have this one here. But I don't know how it was to... It's been some years. I actually learned. I did my my driving license. I did it on this kind of truck, so it kind of hits home driving this one here. And actually, my first 1.5 or 2 years maybe of truck driving, I've driven this model also. So I know it pretty well. When I today morning when I sat in it, and it was really like, oh yeah, that's how it was. So it kind of woken up some memories. It was pretty cool. Since, well, nobody forgets the first truck they are driving. So yeah, I like that. Also, this one is kind of fancy equipped. It has like electrical sun blinders here. You have to cover it. I mean, look at that. That's just... I mean, it's completely useless. You could do it manually, you could do it faster manually, but, well, it's a gimmick. Why not? So yeah, that's the truck. I really hope I can show you how we build off and how we operate the video walls in the truck or in the containers. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. So maybe I can, hopefully I can show you all of this, especially since the other two, the 50 square meters, they are a little bit more interesting even than this one here. And I get to drive my old Scania again. So yeah, I hope I am allowed to keep you updated and allowed to show this to you. I'm going to ask my boss for permission, but still we're a company who just does the video thing. So when we drive to a festival, our customer or the organizer, I don't know, the company who are doing this festival actually, well, they can forbid to record something there. So I don't know if I have the possibility to record all of this, but I will try. I give it a shot. I will try and get permission for that. Since I'm just showing the video wall, I'm going to show the festival or something, or backstage areas or something like that. Also, it will be in the building, so it's not going to be a ready and play ready festival when I get there. So there's nothing really to show. Yeah, so I will try and do that. If not, I apologize, but well, I have to keep to the orders I get. Yeah, as I said last time, I hope to do a little bit more of filming in the future, but it's a little bit it's tricky, since there's so much going on and we have so much different clients, and most of them say no filming. So I can pretty much just show you like these small things here. I hope it gets better though. So yeah, have a good day, and If I get to film anything more, you will see it in this video. If not, then, well, we have to wait a little bit more. Yeah, so have a good one and see ya.